Shalom, brothers and sisters. This is Yahuda ben Yisrael. And I was looking at some brothers in a video talking about how they needed to have some type of government. And I'm not talking about a government that supersedes the United States or any other nation where brothers and sisters may stay or live or be citizens of, but how they needed something to provide them some guidance when it comes to judgments. And I agree. This brother was going through some issues with a bunch of other brothers, and they were having councils and doing all these other things. But you can tell that, there was a lot of confusion. And so it brought me back to this article that I read on Forward magazine. And the article was on July 7th, 2015 by Sam Kestenbaum. And it says, "Can this rabbinic revolutionary make Hebrew Israelites mainstream?" Now, the first time I read it, I didn't like that title. But anyway, as I read through the article, it talks about Rabbi Caper C. Funyeh Jr. Hope I'm saying his name correctly. But there was something in this article that caught my eye. And I remember reading it, and I remember reading another article where he said that they were going to put together a law for themselves, or for black Jews and Israelites, or as some would say, black Israelites. Now, he said it too in this article, or the person who wrote the article said the same thing. It said that they were going to begin to put together a law, or a halacha, which would include the Talmud. And so I just wanted to let brothers and sisters know that there are those who are seen as leaders when it comes to the Hebrew Israelite or black Jew community, who are working on something like that. Now, these brothers who are part of, let's see here, the International Israelite Board of Rabbis. For those of you who don't know, Hebrew Israelites actually have a lot of different, well, I don't know about a lot, but a few international organizations. For those of you who did not know that. But this is the International Israelite Board of Rabbis, and these brothers mostly deal with the Old Testament only. They don't deal with the New Testament at all, actually, from what I understand. They don't deal with the New Testament. None of their members do. I may be wrong, but that's from what I have been able to read and the information that I have gotten. So I just wanted to say that I look forward to these brothers putting together a halacha, a law. I'm sure that they will be working hard. Those elders who do that will be working hard to serve the Heavenly Father and to help to bring some type of stability to brothers and sisters who really are looking for it and who really do need it. Again, the important thing is that these brothers are well respected, apparently, through a lot of the Jewish community. And that's important. It is important for us as a people to be recognized and to have a group like that is recognized. So like I said, I look forward to seeing what it is that they come up with, and I will for sure have some questions, and I for sure will seek answers to those questions. But I see also, because I get emails from these brothers from the International Israelite Board of Rabbis, I see that they are starting to come together, are starting to meet with different Israelite groups around the world, and I'm glad to see that too. Here's a picture of these brothers right here in Ethiopia, and they visited some other groups too in the United States, I think, if I remember correctly, in other parts of the world. So I'm glad to see that they're working hard to come together. But I really, really, really look forward to seeing what they do when it comes to a law, because it is something that brothers and sisters are craving. It is something that brothers and sisters really need, that type of guidance, a place where they can go and get just judgments. So that's all I wanted to say. That's all I'm going to do for this week. Peace.